Hi, darlings. Welcome to Soft Art, where we bring creativity to life. Today, I'm showing you how to create a fun Ultimate Boss Babe digital design for t-shirts. It's retro and wavy, and you'll love making it. Let's get started. First, I select the text, and then I choose the font Abstract Groovy to create the design. Select the text, then hold Shift and left click and drag a corner to scale it proportionally without distorting the shape. Then I bring the words closer together to create a tighter, more unified layout. Now I'm going to center everything by clicking on Horizontal Align Center, and then aligning the paragraph to the center for a clean, balanced look. To give the text that retro, wavy vibe, I click on Make Envelope, choose the wave style, and set the bend to 25%. Next, I go to Object, Expand and click OK to finalize the text and turn it into an editable shape. To start adding color, I select the Live Paint Bucket tool, hold Alt to choose my color with a left click, then hover over the first letter and click to begin filling the design. Next, I select one of the flowers to fill the empty space in the design and resize it to fit nicely with the overall layout. I go to Object, Path, Offset Path, set the joins to round, and enter an offset of 6 pixels, then click OK. After that, I click Unite to merge the shape. Then I go to Object Expand Appearance, and while holding Shift, I click on the text to select it along with the flower, so both elements are selected together. Finally, using the Shape Builder tool, I hold Alt and left click to remove the space between the flower and the text, ensuring the flower remains prominent in the design. Then I repeat the same process for the rest of the flowers in the design. Now, to fill the remaining empty spaces and give the design a shiny and balanced look, I add multiple stars in different sizes and place them like this, as you can see. Then, once all the stars are in place, I hold Shift and click on each one to select them all. After that, I right-click and choose Group to group them together. This makes it easier to apply one color to all of them at once. Once I finish the design, I place it on a black background or a t-shirt mock-up to see how it truly comes to life. And just like that, the design is complete. I hope you followed along and practiced each step to create your very first t-shirt design. ready to be listed on platforms like Merch by Amazon, Etsy, Redbubble, or any print-on-demand service. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay creative and keep designing.